Welcome to the first short video tutorial on research skills for success. This one is on searching Queen's Library's website. In this video, you'll learn how to effectively find what you need from the library's website and to discover additional library resources to strengthen your search. Before you search for anything, however, you'll need a research topic or question. For this tutorial, here is our research question. What are the effects of COVID-19 on tourism? Now, to find what is relevant to you on the library's website, or in any academic databases for that matter, it's always imperative to break down your research question into its key concepts. Here we have the key concept of COVID-19 and tourism. With the key concept of your research question identified, what terms are you going to use in your search? It's always a good idea to come up with a few synonyms or related terms for each key concept to broaden your search. For example, for COVID-19, because it's a relatively new term, you may want to search both COVID-19 or pandemic. As for tourism, you could search for tourism or tourist industry. Note that within each key concept, you're combining the synonyms or related terms with or, and to fully address your research question, you will then combine the key concepts together with and. After breaking down your research question into key concepts and search terms, now we are ready to search the library's website. I'm sure it's obvious to you, but you should not enter your research question as is in any research databases. In the basic search box, you should only use keywords. Here, as mentioned before, we are combining our key concepts with and. However, it's worth noting that the and here is assumed just like Google. So you may drop the and in basic search. Let's go into advanced search mode to make use of the synonyms and related terms we have identified to do a more thorough search of the library materials available. When we have multiple key concepts to address within a research question, the best way to do advanced search is enter one key concept per search line. Remember, we are to combine the synonyms and related terms within each key concept with or, and to combine all the key concepts together with and. Note that for a phrase like tourist industry, we can use quotation marks to make the search more specific, so that the two words are searched together as a phrase and not individual keyword. Here are some of the search results. By default, the search results are sorted by relevance. Depending on your needs, you may want to sort differently. For example, by date newest if you're looking for the latest research for your topic. To effectively find what you need, you can make use of the various filters available on the left panel. You can filter your results by peer-reviewed journals under Availability. Under Resource Type, there is a variety of publication types you can choose from. If you're looking for background information, you may want to limit your search to books and book chapters. In the case where you're looking for the latest development on a topic, you may limit your search to conference proceedings and reviews, along with setting the publication date for the latest years. Depending on your research focus, you may choose the public health filter under subject, or these other subject filters for business and industry perspective. We have just covered the essential skill of searching effectively on the library's website, but what if you're not quite finding what you need? Let's look at some additional library resources to help strengthen your search. Under the library homepage, click Search and go to Research by Subject. There's a long list of subjects to choose from. For our research question, let's select economics. On this page for economics, under Guides, our subject specialist has outlined some of the key resources depending on the type of publication you're looking for. There is also a list of subject-specific database recommendations for you. If you require further research assistance, you're more than welcome to contact your subject specialist. Speaking of subject specialist, on the library's homepage, under About Us, go to Our People and Subject Librarians. To find the subject librarian, you can do it by subject or by specialization. Let's say you really want to focus on finding government information for your research question, for example. Lastly, please feel free to get in touch. There's an Ask Us button right there on the library's homepage where you can contact us for research assistance via different channels. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck on your research.